Today, I'm over at Noisebridge being the janitor, and while cleaning the bathroom, came to a spot on the toilet that I found was broke. So you see it jiggling back and forth. If you look back here, you can see the little part that's not connected anymore. What I am thinking of doing is using a little J-B WELD action, probably J-B KWIK, and we're gonna try to fix this plastic part right here. So as I show you what it is, we're gonna do the repair and then show you how to mix it. I'll show you how to bond these two pieces of plastic together to prevent this toilet seat from jiggling all around. So let's get to it. Here we are. These are the two parts from the toilet seat. You can see they were, worked pretty good. There's a lot of little plastic that's kind of hanging over. It still fits in there pretty well if we just went directly to use the two-part epoxy. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to file around the area to create a bonded edge. So, like so, just rough it up a little bit. This ought to help the glue stick. Any smooth surface might not do what we're going to try to do here. So just rough it up a little bit, give it a scuff. That's that. Closer look, you can just see that it's a little scuffed, a little rough. Here you can see what it starts out like. It's pretty beaten up. All we're trying to do is create some things there on the edge. We're going to give it a place to bond. I'm going to fasten it down to the cardboard. I think this will help when we actually go to do the bond. I'm going to keep it all in one place. So, like so. There we go. We should be able to come over here. Once we get the epoxy ready, find where it sits and get it to line up. All right, mixing ratio is 50-50. You don't need much. It's a very small amount. Product is J-B KWIK. What I'm doing right now is putting a little of the material in the 90-degree angle area to build up a bond of structure. So it's not just going to be in the cracked area. There it is. Fixed with J-B KWIK. It'll be tacked up in about 15 to 20 minutes and approximately dry in 4 hours. We'll come back to it, check to see if everything's intact, and if it is, we will put the toilet seat back together. All right. So the toilet seat also had a little crack. I went ahead and filled it in. It's got some J-B KWIK in there. It's going to take approximately 4 hours for that to dry as well. It'll probably happened when like the toilet seat came loose and did a little twist and then cracked the back. You know, it's not really noticeable. I don't even think it's going to need paint or anything like that. It's on the downside of the toilet seat. Here, let's see what we've got going. Let's take this part out. It's only been a few minutes, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and just take a look. It's hard to the touch, but that doesn't mean it's dry. So you see the little fix, the crack. So now is the time for the second coat. On the second coat, I'm going to go ahead and thicken everything up, and I'm going to fill in the area where you can see the missing plastic. Looks like it kind of eroded away. Also, I took the file to it. So let's go ahead and fill this in. This is going to be just, you know, for strength and aesthetics at the same time. There it is. So I'm back in the bathroom. The toilet is finished. Here we go. The J-B KWIK has knocked out the little project. You can see there where we bonded it back together. The crack should hold. We're gonna go ahead and put this bad boy back on the toilet. It's a fix.